In this video, I'll be going rabbit hunting with my buddies in the beautiful northern part of Florida. We will be camping out in the remote wilderness, and we will be showing you the absolute best method on how to cook these wild rabbits so that you won't die of starvation if you get lost in the woods. Enjoy the video. What's good, Big Mouth for Brunch Gang? Today, I'm going turkey hunting, or rabbit hunting, whatever is in my way. So, I'm using this lever action, my brother's, and I'm hunting on our property. Let's go. Went and bought myself a turkey call, so let's see. Alright. The mission is simple. Navigate all the way into the heart of the property and find the deer feeder, and hopefully execute some rabbits along the way. Alright, this looks like a deer trail right here. See how it cuts in there. And another one, I think, cuts through over there. Guys, look what I found. Deer remains. I don't know how old they are, but probably pretty new. Oh, it's a young buck. He did. I think I hear a rabbit. These hawks, though, they're swooping in on something. I think it's a deer. It's Vlad. Should I play a prank on him?
Коля здесь, а я вот здесь вот у него. Па-па.
Где он стоял?
Он где-то у дерева. Перед
Давай.
деревом слева.
Ну давай идем, посмотрим. Vlad said that he shot a rabbit, but it ran off. So we decided to check the area, but after careful investigation, we found nothing. And so, I decided to return to camp. As I was returning, I decided to walk slowly and check under the brush for rabbits. Unfortunately, the GoPro was off, but the method worked. A dinner. Let's go. They got another rabbit. He's starting the fire, and I'm gonna go feed the deer. We prepared the skillet. We are frying the rabbit now. Over the fire. Got the onions and a spatula that I made. Pretty epic. Right? My spatula in use.
Класс, здесь тоже такая впадина.
Salty.
Макота.
Давайте цибулю.
Onions.
А потом стакан есть у нас?
Alright guys, I'm trying.
Нежнейшего кролика покажи. Так видно.
Doesn't taste like anything. Just tastes like some kind of meat. That's it.
What kind of meat? Human?
Yes.